Welcome to StillSpace. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take one slow breath in. Gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly in your lap. There is nothing to do right now except breathe. We will breathe together using a simple pattern called 4, 2, 6. 4 counts in, 2 counts hold, 6 counts out. This naturally calms your nervous system within minutes. Let us begin. Breathe in slowly 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. Now breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how your shoulders soften. Continue on your own now. In for 4, hold for 2, out for 6. When your mind wanders, that is completely normal. Simply return to counting. You are doing beautifully. Each breath is an anchor. When the world feels fast, your breath is always here. Take 2 more breaths in your own time, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. There is nowhere else you need to be. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the weight of your body. When you are ready, softly open your eyes. Well done! You just completed a 5-minute breathing meditation. Try this every morning, one breath at a time.